Yo, what's good, guys? President Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be looking at how I flip this Rema T song. So I actually listen to the song, and for me, I love the song. I love the bounce, but most times I just like to be creative and just flip things around and just imagine how it's gonna sound like on a different vibe. I'm gonna just play what I did, and we have something like this. Yep, so you can see how nice the vibe is. Totally different from what the original bounce sounded like. So yeah, and this is just a very simple vibe, and I've learned this a lot from Mozedicos. He doesn't do too much on his beats, yet the beat sounds nice, the beat sounds full, the beat sounds really, really rich. So the first thing I started with was the drums, and for the drums, very simple, just going with a very simple vibe. We have this for the drums. Then with the kick. Like I said, very, very simple. And I'm basically using sounds from the 1A pack. I love that pack. So yeah, let's go over to the drums. So for the drums, we're having this tribal sound, which, I'm using to start the whole vibe. And it sounds like this. Hey, vibe. But in case you just want to copy it, yeah. But this is something very, very basic. And the next is our snare. And for the snare, using this various snare, we have this. Yep, this has some nice reverb on it. Then we have the conga. Then we'll have what is it called again? We have this another conga. Just basic. I just want to put everything on the channel rack. I think it's more easier to get what I'm doing when it's on the. So we have this. Nice. So with our treble sound and the snare, we have this. And that's basically everything. What you can use one sound to play, just basically use different sounds to play it. So you can see this same thing that this tribal is playing is what, these snares here and this conga are playing. So it just gives it like various vibe, give it like a groove even without doing too much. So yeah, we have that now. Then the next thing is our kick. So just a steady kick. Steady kick, steady groovy kick. Then we just have this hi-hat, open hi-hat, just put. Yeah, but that's basically everything for the drums. But I wanted the drums to be very impactful. So we added some nice transitions, some hits, and feel like we'll have this. Yeah. We'll have this also. So all those impacts just give the whole vibe energy. And that's basically everything for my drums. And like I told you guys, what I like doing for my drums is whenever I have everything like this, I tend to bounce it to a wave file and just layer it with my existing drum bounce. So that's what I did here. I have this. Yeah, so that percussion, that. After I finished, I just decided to add modern melodies on it, on the drums. And I'm having this Cavan preset. So it gives it a groove. Vibe. Then the next thing was the bass. So for the bass, I'm using Afro Labs, and if you're an Afrobeat producer by now, you should have this plugin, because this plugin is loaded with amazing stuff, amazing sounds, basically. So I just added that. I'm using under the bass, I'm using the Afro Reeds. I'll have this. Yeah, nice. This is already a vibe. Trust me, you could leave. If you have like a very solid artist, I can just play this with the vocal. You just say, well, how it's gonna sound really nice. Already a vibe. But I wanted to add some melodies and just some nice chords. So for the chords, still using Afro Labs. Like I said, Afro Labs, you need to get your hands off it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you want to go get it for yourself, and you getting it using my link, it's just like you're also supporting this channel to put out amazing stuff for you guys. So make sure you are using my link. So yeah, then the next thing we have is, what is it gonna be? Is this chord? And this is what it sounds like. Nice, sweet. Nice. Let's put that chord down. You have this. Nice. Then layer it with this melody. I think this melody is like on the original song. It sounds like this. And I'm also using Afro Labs for it. Under the plucks, I'm using the gentle pluck. Ooh. With the melody, we have this. Then I played it again. I can't remember which sound I used there, but I played it again with a different instrument, and we have this. Yeah, still the same melody. You have this. Yeah, I used a lead sound for that. So together, everything sounds like this. Yeah, then next thing was some nice chords. For the chords, actually using Afro Labs again, Ocean Pluck, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so together we have this. Yeah, I'm just put that. And I could make this more dramatic. I could add like some shakers, just to give it some extra groove. Yeah, so everything, I'm just gonna play it from the top, and that's how we're able to have a vibe. Simple, no much stuff going on, but yeah, you have a solid vibe. So from the top, you have this. Yeah, so guys, I hope you got something from this. And if you select the right sound, trust me, you're not going to do a lot when it comes to the mixing. And I could prove that by going through all my sounds. You could see I'm basically not doing a lot. Just gain staging, because you have already selected the right sound. So a key taker for you should be always try as much as possible to select the right sounds, and you're going to enjoy production. Yeah, then on my master boss, I just have my master plan, because what is your master without having a master plan? Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video.